Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Bit of an impromptu one this. As I'm recording this, it's actually Friday evening because I'm in the process of moving some beloved family members and dear friends as well, and they're moving home and I'm moving them, if you like. So just got to get this in when I could. I won't have time this evening and I certainly won't have time tomorrow. I have a feeling I'll be in bed most of Sunday recovering, so I thought I'd get a cheeky little video in now. Got some nice stuff, bit of a mail call as well today. We're going to be using these blades. Bluebird, gifted to me by my son, the DC Shares. They come in a little packet like that, it says Bluebird, and the blade looks like that. And I've put these inside my Yaqi DLC. There. Put that in there. Nice. We'll put that in the sink, get some heat in that blade. That's the razor, the blade. The brush, you see a blue theme. There you go. That's my West Coast shaving. I think it's called Ancient Stone in blue. Love the blue, and I've got that down there soaking in my cup, the John Shaves Super Soaker. Soap we're going to be using about really excited. There you go, look. Island Man, Stirling Soap Company, Island Man. Look at this, guys. Isn't that just an absolute stunning colour? Blue, absolutely fantastic. And I managed to get hold of rare as hen's teeth some of the matching splash. Look at that colour, and it smells fantastic. We'll just finish that off with a bit of Aquavelva 5-in-1 soap. I'll wet the face and then we're going to crack on. Oh, here you go. I've got a couple of days growth. There you go, get the brush, get absolutely, to me it smells like a beach. You know, like a day at the beach and you get the candy floss in the background and the ozone and sun cream and really good stuff. And straight in and we'll see where we go. Stirlings are always good performance, aren't they? I love Stirling soaps. Oh, the scent of it now, yeah. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and get some of this soap. It's really quite a hard soap actually, so try and get some of that off the puck and onto the brush, and then we'll build a lather on the face. Okay, I think we're pretty good. Let's see where we go. Look at this, guys. Absolutely wonderful. Yep. I'm trying to figure out what that scent is, but it's got like a powdery scent to it as well. Do you know what, guys? I love that powdery scent. Absolutely love it. So we'll get a bit of water on there. See if we can't make it explode a bit. Yeah, so thanks to everybody for all the likes, all the subscribes, and all the comments, you know. Thanks to all you guys for watching the videos. I appreciate your time. I don't really like doing this, making videos when I'm rushed like this, because I want to give it time, the time that it deserves, the time that you deserve. If you're going to watch it, the least I can do is take a decent bit of time and do it right. But yeah, let's crack on and we'll see where we go. Tell you what, this Yaqi, superb. Wow, and this soap, very slick. We're not doing a lot. I'm absolutely snowed under at the moment, guys, but didn't want to not put any content out, so thought we'd do a quick share and say hello to everybody. And you know, to try and keep a conversation going. For this long, it's so difficult. So, I thought I would tell a joke. Until I pressed record and then forgot them all. Oh yeah. I've got one for you. This guy can't get a job anywhere. Unemployed. Desperately wants to get work. There's no qualifications, can't do anything. Anyway, this one day, sees an ad in the local pet shop. Person wanted at local zoo, no qualifications, £1,000 a week. Oh, says I'll do that. So he goes to the zoo. He says, I've come for the job. Guy says, great, it's yours. He said, really, £1,000? Yeah, £1,000 a week. He said, listen, start now. He said, what's happened is we've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of children coming here today to see the new monkey, and he's dead. He died. They're all these people coming, fair paying people, see this monkey, he's dead. So what I want you to do, put a monkey suit on, swing around on the bars till they've gone. You'll get your money, they get to see a monkey, everybody's happy. Do you think you can do it? The guy says, yeah, go on, I'll have a do it. So he gets the monkey suit on. Right? I've gone against the grain, guys, look, see? No concentration. Anyway, all the kids are all lined up, all watching him, and he's good. Well, they're all clapping and cheering. And he's like, pretty good at this. Confidence builds up because they're all clapping and cheering. And he's swinging away on the bars. Well, he slipped, didn't he? Swung right over into the lion's enclosure, right over the fence into the lion's enclosure. Well, he went absolutely hysterical. Shouted, let me out, in the lion's enclosure, let me out. Well, in the long distance, lion fixes his gaze on him. Help, he's screaming, help, let me out. The lion starts doing that big, lion thing creeping towards him. Anyway, monkey guy in the monkey suit, absolute screaming at the top of his voice by now. And the lion got about 8 feet away and went, oi, shut it, we'll all get the sack. Right. Work with me, guys. So, hope you're all staying safe. Hope you're all staying well. It's good to see people. Jimmy, NYC wet shaver, who was in hospital when last I checked. I sent you a message, but you may be busy, pal. Just to let you know we're thinking of you. Take it easy and stay safe. And all the usual guys. There's that many of you now, if I name them. I always feel bad for the ones I can't name because I can't remember them all. Because I quite literally have got a memory like a goldfish. So, there you go. There you go. Yeah, that's a good one, guys. Well, some laminates there. This soap's good. Yeah, the usual suspects, as I like to call them. Wow, guys, that soap is very slick. I'm struggling. Oh, struggling to hold the razor, it's that slick. And we'll call that. Okay, yeah. We'll call that, that's good. That's smooth enough. Oh, so, hope you're all staying safe. Please click like and subscribe. Tell your friends about me. I'm trying to grow the channel. Okay. Mountain man. Island man. Blue. Look at this, guys. Oh my word, it smells fantastic. Yeah. Oh man. Do you know what that smells like on now? Oh yeah. Wow. Getting a hint of coconut. I don't know why, but it's quite citrusy now. Absolutely delicious. You know, Stirling with these aftershaves, half the time you don't feel like putting them on, you just feel like drinking them, don't you? Oh, you know, I could have a shave me and just put aqua velva balm on. Absolutely love it. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I appreciate your views and your subscriptions. Take it easy. Have a nice weekend, everybody. And I will see you on the Wednesday for a midweek shave. Take it easy, guys. Bye.